Indie designer tip kind of runs into a sales tip as well. Are you looking at me? Anyways, you know your designs, right? You know where that fabric, you saw that piece of fabric on the ground and you picked it up and you made something into it and now you're asking $500 for it. And it can be challenging when you know the process to sell it for $500, right? Not only that, you know you've had it for a year. And you know that client that's coming today already even tried it on maybe. So you're going to put it in the back. Well, I'm going to tell you something. I have had clients that come into my boutique, my beautiful boutique, every weekend. I've had them come in and look at a piece and say, is this new? And I swear to God, they tried it on last week. So my point is that just because you know everything about this piece and you even remember them trying it on, they don't know. Maybe they don't know, maybe they do, but maybe they don't. And I would just recommend that you also don't think about how much is in your client's pocketbook one way or the other. Let the client be spontaneous in her own way. Bring your pieces that you've had for a while, bring them to life by maybe accessorizing them in a different way, putting them with jeans instead of with leggings, with a bathing suit instead of with a scarf. Being a good salesperson is showing the item new, showing the piece in a fresh way. Maybe she didn't think she could wear it that way, but now she sees how you put it together that way, and guess what? She's like, I can do that. I can wear that all day long. Don't think you know everything about your client. And if you're not good at sales, take yourself out of it and you have to be willing to sell your pieces because it's an important integral part, just like knowing the construction of an item. You also have to know that. It doesn't mean you have to be the best at it, and it doesn't mean you have to do it all the time. You can hire someone better than you, but you have to have that quality. Let me know how it goes.